Briefly explain the social structure of the Ayyubid dynasty. Briefly explain the social structure of the Ayyubid dynasty. I am Mohammad Usman from Moonlight International Publication House, and thank you for joining me here. Today I will talk about the social structure of the Ayyubi dynasty. Dear student, like the other dynasties of the then time, Ayyubi dynasty was also divided into different classes, or we can say the social structure of the Ayyubi dynasty was hierarchical. यानी कि उसमें एक डिवीजन थी, उसमें एक हायरार्की थी, उसमें एक दर्जा बंदी का एक सिस्टम था. सो इस सिस्टम that is related to the division of something else is considered as the hierarchical system. एक ऐसा सिस्टम जिसके अंदर दर्जा बंदी हो उसको हम hierarchical system कहते हैं. तो like other dynasty, Ayyubi dynasty का जो social structure था that was again we can say the hierarchical, यानी वो आप different नहीं था, वो भी hierarchical था. So now let's have a talk about or you can say have a look at the social structure of the Ayyubi dynasty. At the top there was Sultan. Like the Seljuk dynasty, at the top there was a Sultan who had absolute power, who was the head of the dynasty or the empire, who is considered as the viceroy of the god on earth. So there are different interpretations available on the surface regarding the power, or you can say the domain of the Sultan at that time. After Sultan, the second class was Mamluks. They were, you can say, the trained elite soldiers who were bound to protect the empire from not from the internal rebellions, but also from the foreign invasions or any act of aggression. तो दूसरी जो क्लास थी ममलूक्स थे, ये स्लेव सोल्जर्स थे. ममलूक जो हैं वो गुलामों को कहा जाता है. तो दे वर प्रोफेशनली ट्रेंड स्लेव मिलिट्री सोल्जर्स थे, जो दूसरे नंबर पे हमें नज़र आते सोशल स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर. एंड आफ्टरवर्ड the third class was Amirs. They were high ranking officials and they were performing different duties at that time. And after Amir there was a chief Qazi or the chief judge of the state. It was appointed to advise the Sultan in the different religious affairs, and even it was bound to interpret the different Islamic laws, different Islamic philosophies at that time. And after you can say Qazi, there was the next class that was known as the Ulemas class, the clergy class, the religious scholars. They were also very helpful. And at the last you can say the class which was the part of the social structure of the Ayyubi dynasty, and that was you can say the common people. और कॉमन पीपल में आपके कॉमन लोग आ जाते हैं, ऑर्डनरी पीपल आ जाते हैं, आपकी स्लेव क्लास आ जाती है, आपके लेबरर्स आ जाते हैं, आपके फार्मर्स आ जाते हैं. सो दीज वर द salient aspects of the social structure of the Ayyubi dynasty. And so with this we can conclude this topic, and we hope to see you again with a new topic of history. Thank you.